You searched how to buy shares of Orange County Bancorp Inc. Orange County Bancorp Inc. is a regional bank listed on NASDAQ under the ticker OBT, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform search box and type the ticker OBT to locate the listing. Select the result that matches Orange County Bancorp Inc. on NASDAQ. On the asset page, check the company description and the price chart to confirm it is the correct stock. Verify the ticker shows OBT and the exchange reads NASDAQ. Click Invest, choose the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set to execute when trading resumes, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. After purchase, the position will appear in your portfolio showing the shares you own. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to explore the platform further.